Besides the special packages I received earlier this month along with the GT smartphones, a few days ago Realme again sent me this big briefcase. Now this one has the Realme Box Slim inside. I've already checked it out. Let me show you too. Hello everyone, Aman here from Mr. Phone, and before we begin, motivate us by hitting the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. Okay, so the briefcase was huge and heavy, and honestly I had a hard time unboxing it neatly. So guys, pardon me if this looks shabby. So upon opening this briefcase, up front you get to see this text designed to empower, quickly showing the cool things that came along. So there's a message which shows that Realme has collaborated with capes for cool looking skins, and here's a clearer look at the two skins that I received. Finally, this is the Realme Box Slim in the real blue shade, and I'm so happy to have received this color. Besides, there's a Type-C to Type-C cable, a 65-watt charger, and finally, thanks for this power bank, Realme. The Realme Box Slim comes in a choice of two variants. The base trim has an i3 processor with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, while the top trim has an i5 processor, again with 8GB RAM but with 512GB storage. I have received the i3 version for review, so as for the exact specs, this one gets the 11th generation Intel Core i3-111 5G4 processor, which has 2 cores and 4 threads. There's Intel UHD graphics on offer here, while the i5 trim gets Intel Xe graphics. Apart from this, there's dual channel 8GB DDR4X RAM coupled with a SanDisk's 256GB PCIe SSD. For the build, Realme has used aluminium alloy on this laptop. The hinge on offer is solid and you can almost go 180 degrees flat with this one. Further, this laptop is only 14.9mm thick and weighs just about 1.4 kilograms, making it extremely lightweight and portable. As for the color options, you get two of them, Real Grey and this beautiful one right here called Real Blue. Speaking of beautiful, there's a 14-inch 2K IPS display. It comes with a 3:2 aspect ratio. It can reach peak brightness levels of up to 400 nits, and it covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut. Without delving into the nitty-gritty, for now, I would only say that Realme has given a top-notch display here, guys. I mean, this panel can even give many high-end laptops a run for their money. Not even kidding, it is that good.
Sorry, Kai, but your luck has run out.
Moving on, in terms of connectivity, my i3 version features Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, while the i5 trim gets Wi-Fi 6 along with Bluetooth 5.2. In terms of ports, there are two USB-C on the left, that's it, and on the right, there's a USB-A port along with a headphone jack. Coming to the keyboard, the design here reminds me quite a lot of the old butterfly keyboards found in the MacBook Pro models, but unlike them, the travel on offer here is very good. Plus, this is a punchy keyboard, it is backlit, and I'm already in love with the typing experience. Plus, the sound it makes is so satisfying to hear. More details coming up in the full review. The trackpad is also fairly large. The power button doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, there's a 54 watt-hour battery under the hood, and I'm looking forward to testing its endurance. Finally, Realme has also added PC Connect on the Slim, a software that lets you connect your phone to the laptop for seamless wireless transfers and much more. There are a couple of bottom-firing Harman speakers tuned by DTS, and there's also a dual fan storm cooling system, a fancy name there, that helps in sustained cooling performance. And that was your first look at the brand new Realme Box Slim, and God, I love this color so much. So guys, I'll be testing this one out thoroughly in the coming days, so if you don't want to miss my review, definitely stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.